The air filter removes any dirt, dust, or other debris before it can enter the engine. Debris can easily plug the carburetor, making the tool run poorly or not start at all. If dirt gets into the engine, serious damage can occur. The air filter should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more as needed. Replacing the air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. With the cover removed, I can remove the old air filter. I'll install the new air filter by aligning it with the cover and then reinstalling the cover and filter back onto the base. And that's how simple it is to replace the air filter on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.